and yesterday was still nice in the morning, and all of a sudden, look at this. I mean, I barely came out of my parking. Straight up skirted out of there, DCT off. But I gotta say, the car looks nice in the winter. But yeah, gotta probably take off these for winter. These are just gonna end up falling off, I feel like. Yeah, I'll have to see. I don't even know how I got out of here. That shit's crazy. Driving in a winter wonderland. Fucking loud. I don't know if you can even pick it up on the GoPro. Oh, it is loud. Damn. Good weather for turbo. Phew. Was it a red nightmare? It's a little more crazy. Yeah, those fucking roads are awesome. And yeah, not too shabby, but yeah, let's go back in the whip, go for a drive like we already were. My question is, can I do a U-turn freaking skid out of here? Something like that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. At least there's a little bit of something. Not very super snowy, but enough. So yeah.